MSC cruise ships collided in Buenos Aires. MSC cruise ships MSC Orchestra contacted MSC Poesia at Buenos Aires, Argentina, on February 20. MSC Orchestra was underway leaving port. MSC Poesia was berthed or in process of berthing. Orchestra STB contacted Poesia portside, both ships sustaining minor damages, including MSC Poesia portside bow fold-out platform. After it seems several hours-long investigation, MSC Orchestra was cleared to sail, reaching Punta del Este resort anchorage, Maldonado, Uruguay, on February 21. MSC Poesia, as of 18:30 February 21, was still in Buenos Aires. Cruise ship MSC Orchestra, IMO 9,320,099, GT 92,409, built 2007, flag Panama, operator MSC Cruises, capacity 3,200, crew 987. Cruise ship MSC Poesia, IMO 9,387,073, GT 92,627, built 2008, flag Panama, operator MSC Cruises, capacity 3,605, crew 1,027.